festival goers, we are here at ACL Music Festival today in Austin, Texas. ACL is Austin City Limits, in case you didn't know. We're gonna do a walking tour of the entire venue. I just came in through the main entrance. There are 3 different entrances. I came in through the main one, so let's start the tour. The entrance is off Barton Springs Road. So this is where I came in through. As soon as you walk in, there's already the merchandise. So there is a little merch tent, and then inside here is the full-on merch shop. So let's go. I want to go inside the merch shop. So we'll go to the merch shop first, and then we'll start making our way around the festival. This is a really big venue. There's lots to see, lots to do, lots of activations, and it's gonna be a good tour. So let's go check out the merch store. Exit only, so I'm trying to find the entrance. Because I do want some merch. Oh, perfect. So different, there are different levels of tickets here, so depending on what type of ticket you have, you can get like a faster entry, but I just have GA, so I'm going the regular way. Perfect. When I come out, we're gonna check out all this food, and I need water too, but we'll go ahead and do the merch first.
I was gonna get a bandana t-shirt.
Enter here.
I also gotta go with the other.
I'm gonna turn the camera off because we're just going through the line until I get in. Okay, making our way in. This is quite the merch shop. OMG. I'm not gonna show you guys everything, but you get the idea. Blankets and hats and bags and shirts, water bottles, so many things. But I'm gonna turn off the camera so I can go shopping. Okay, just came out of the merch tent. I bought 2 shirts, and now we're gonna start with the tour. We're starting here on this side. There's lots of food. I need some water. I see a hydration station, and it looks like we're at the beatbox stage. Okay, and there's lots of like little hand pump stations too. Great to keep your hands nice and clean. But this is where a good section of food is. So we got burgers and pizza, chicken, juice. Lots of things. All right, resuming back. So we got some type of lounge over here that people are waiting to get into. That might be, it says DoorDash lounge. I don't know, there's lots of lounges and different levels of ticket types here. So this is the beatbox stage. And just to kind of give relation to where we are, we just left the merch. So we're on the very most left side of the festival. So when I walked into the main entrance, came in through the left. And it is very, very hot. You see these people sitting up against the stage in the shade because it is hot. It's like 90 degrees. It's a little breezy, and the dust is dusting. Bandanas are very much a thing here. And we got a beatbox. speech activation little thing. Beatbox. I guess there's just like a little stage or something in there, but the line is super long, so we're not going in there. And I'm not drinking. I have no business drinking beatbox. Okay. So we got an exit. Okay, well, another. I think this is the west entrance. Okay. Crossing the street just so you can kind of see where we are. Main entrance is that way. This is Barton Springs Road. And we are coming up on the T-Mobile stage. In case you didn't know, ACL takes place at Zilker Park, so we're at Zilker Park right now. So we have a little BMI stage right here. I think this big structure is like the VIP or Platinum VIP. We're about to find out. VIP and bungalows. Okay. Straight ahead is the Miller Lite stage. The famous flag photo op. I'm gonna try to do like a big circle.
Been forever, last Thursday. Could have been a million years ago. All I know is I've been chasing you every lifetime. Chasing you.
Lots of stuff down here, so that's why I'm making our way. Or it looks like lots of stuff, it may not be. But I'm trying to cover the whole circumference? Is that the word? Okay, so that's another entrance over there. I think that's the Lady Bird Lake entrance. So there's more, there's some bathrooms, first aid, hydration station, guest services. It looks like there's a bar over there. And then we have the Miller Lite stage, okay. And then we have this thing. Let's go under this covered tent. It says pizza and it's covered. But also too, we'll stop and take a look at this really quick. So we got some more bars right here. Club Magenta. I think this is free for anybody that has T-Mobile. There's a bar right next to it. And if you keep going that way, more bars. I think I'm gonna come back around this way, so. But let's keep going this way for now. Pizzeria, I can see it from here, it says pizzeria. But that's a really nice, big, covered place to escape from the sun. Because it is baking out here. see everybody's just here chilling in the shade. Ooh, eats. Okay, that's where we're gonna absolutely go next. I think I can smell the pizza. Fans, you can cool off. Okay. Okay. So they got TVs in here. So this is the pizzeria, and we're gonna keep walking through it just because it's nice and shady. Different kinds of activations, or just other place you can go get drinks, things like that. Okay, here is the ACL Eats. I guess this is where the majority of the food is. Phenomenal. I actually want a picture with this ACL Eats sign. More flags. Go look at the types of foods that they got. ACL Bodega. ¿Qué tienes? Band-aids, tampons. Okay, so just like a little general store. Guess this is just like a big tent where you can take your food maybe? Or there's a Coca-Cola thing in there. I'm seeing all sorts of things. Tacos. Let's see, tacos, burgers, ooh, empanadas, corn dog, tenders and nachos, Bavarian. Okay, giant pretzels, bowls, pizza, barbecue, fried chicken, dumplings. Okay, I want some dumplings. Skull and cake bones. More tacos, burgers. There's an Indian place here. Ooh. Grilled cheese burrito. Or burro grilled cheese. I got that completely wrong. Okay, so all along here is all the food. Straight ahead is the Tito stage. And this is just like a giant place where you could sit, eat. Looks like there's also a bar in there too. Walk shawarma. How am I supposed to pick anything to eat? How am I supposed to pick? Maybe dumplings? I kind of want tacos too. Okay. I gotta figure that out, but let's keep going. Tito stage, bathrooms, the rest of the ACL Eats tent. these look like just little booths, like boutique booths, just random things to shop at. There's a really long ass line for the Tito's. I think I saw other people, like you have a chance to win wristbands to get into like the premium Tito lounge to have access to food and drink and all that. But like I'm not waiting in any of these lines. I thought I was gonna take part in the activations and they're just, every one that I walk past has just lines. Okay, we're coming up to the American Express stage. I think this is what they refer to as the main stage. This is only my second time at ACL, even though I'm born, bred, and fed in Austin. I don't prefer mixed genre festivals. I'm an electronic EDM festival girly. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the main stage, which has a stunning view of downtown Austin right behind it. Leveled areas are all like VIP, like up here and over there. Okay. And now let's start flipping around. So we got the Lady Bird stage, slushies. This is where we just came from. That's the T-Mobile stage. Remember the flags over there? So we'll keep coming. VIP Grove. So there's lots of VIP and like premium sections. To appreciate downtown Austin. Looks like some more food. I think this is the dessert section. They have a dessert section. Yeah, let's go look. Yeah, okay, so this is ACL Sweets. So there's Tiff's Treats, Amy's Ice Cream, snow cones. All right. So this is where you can have your little dessert. And then Austin Kitty Limit. So this is an all ages festival in case you didn't know. So this is where the kids can come. I don't know if you can like drop them off there or if you have to still chaperone them, but there is a kid section. Kitty Limits, that's actually really cute. GA Lounge, or GA Plus Lounge. Okay. I just have a regular GA ticket. And then... I think this is it. Okay, yes. Because that's where this is where I came in, and that is the merch tent. So I came in through straight over there, made a left. We're on the right side of that. If we would have made a right, this is where we are. And that was the full Austin City Limits, aka ACL venue tour. Got the main stage in downtown Austin right behind me. So hope you enjoyed, and let's go have some fun now.